Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of those gadgets that seems almost too simple, but ends up being super useful, the Amazon Smart Plug. This little guy plugs right into your standard outlet and instantly turns just about any device into a smart one. Lamps, coffee makers, fans, you name it. And of course, if you're already using Alexa, this fits right in. Don't forget, if you're planning to grab one, using the link in the description below helps support the channel. So thanks in advance. Setting it up is honestly as easy as it gets. Just plug it in, open your Alexa app, and it's recognized almost instantly. No messing around with third-party apps or complicated Wi-Fi settings. Within minutes, you can control the plug with your voice, set timers or routines, and manage everything from your phone. For someone dipping their toe into smart home tech, this is probably one of the easiest entry points out there. Performance-wise, it's really solid. It responds quickly to voice commands. Whether you're turning on a lamp or setting it to run a fan at a specific time, and it's been super reliable during my testing. I especially love using it to automate things like having my lights turn on at sunset, or having my coffee maker start brewing as part of my morning routine. And if you're someone who travels or wants the appearance that someone's home, you can set random on-off times for extra peace of mind. The only real drawback is that it's single outlet use, so if you're trying to automate multiple devices in one area, you'll need one plug per item. Also, while it works beautifully with Alexa, it doesn't support other smart home platforms like Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit, so it's definitely meant for people committed to the Amazon ecosystem. That said, for around $25, it's a budget-friendly and dead simple way to make your home just a little smarter.